Hey guys, the iTunes phone back here again. Today I'm going to replace the battery in these two keys. So you're going to need to prop it open with this little thing right here. So I already pre-propped them out. So now we're going to need to go ahead and remove our batteries here. So if you don't know, there we go. Now this is a Duracell brand battery, but this has got to go too. Don't mind my dogs. Yeah, that's how I do it. So use this little thing right here to get it out now. These are two crappy batteries, and these are the good batteries. So if I zoom a little bit out here, I'm just gonna open these up. By the way, each key gets one battery, so we now are going to put these back in. And then we're going to attach these back on. And there we go. So that's how you replace the batteries in these keys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to help me channel. Subscribe to my other channel, Fanboy Films and Productions. And follow me on Twitter at iTunes Fanboy YT. And goodbye.